Hi everyone, my name is Melissa van Dijk and in today's video I want to show you how to make healthy potatoes and how to boil them perfectly every time. The dish that I'm about to demonstrate is very simple and easy to follow. Now the secret to great potatoes lies in the variety. This makes the biggest difference in flavor and starch content. The lower the starch, the better it is for a healthy dish, especially when it comes to blood sugar. And also as a bonus, they hold their shape perfectly well when boiled. So let's take a look at what you need to recreate it at home. Now here's the ingredients list for 2 portions. So you need 500 grams of a waxy variety of potatoes. This is the most important part. The varieties I've used and highly recommend are Anuschka, Bernina, Emiliana and Ditta. Then about 20 grams of butter to enhance the flavor. Next, 3 teaspoons of coarse rock salt per liter of water. And then optional seasoning would be garlic and/or chives. For this demonstration I'm using the variety Ditta, which is the best I've ever come across. It holds the shape perfectly even after cooking it for half an hour. It still looks like you've never cooked it at all. So let's get started. First, take your potatoes and check for any eyes. Those little spots where sprouts start to grow. Remove them if needed. Then rinse the potatoes under lukewarm water. Most of the time, a quick rinse is enough, but brush them gently if they're really dirty. Then grab your favorite pot. I'm using a glass ceramic one and add a bit of water. Now peel the potatoes. A Swiss peeler works best for this. Peeling helps reduce dirt, natural toxins, pesticides and anti-nutrients, making the potatoes easier to digest. If you notice any brown or dark spots, make sure to remove those as well. As you peel, place each potato directly into the water to prevent browning. Once you're done peeling, cut the potatoes into evenly sized pieces. If you're using a good waxy variety, the size doesn't matter too much. They'll cook evenly even if some pieces are a little larger. Next, wash the potato pieces in the pot, changing the water 2 to 3 times. Then fill the pot with warm water until the potatoes are fully covered. Add 3 teaspoons of coarse rock salt per liter of water. Then pop the lid back on. Lastly, bring the water to a boil on maximum heat. Then lower it slightly to keep a gentle boil. On my ceramic cooktop, that's from 9 to 7. Depending on your pot and stove, you may want to leave the lid slightly ajar to prevent it from boiling over. Optional, you might also need to top up the water a little during cooking if too much evaporates. Now I want to share with you another quick tip which is really important. If you've chosen a good variety, the exact timing doesn't matter too much and you can leave them in the pot for an extra 5 to 15 minutes without worrying. That said, the usual cooking time for most waxy potatoes is about 20 to 30 minutes. But with the nearly indestructible Ditta potatoes that I'm using, I usually let them boil for around 40 minutes. So you need to adjust it accordingly based on the potatoes you're using. Now that the potatoes are perfectly tender, let's move on to the next part. Once they are done, drain them. Then set them aside and immediately remove the lid to let the steam escape. Add the butter and mix well. At this point, they are ready to enjoy. But if you would like, you can also add garlic and/or chives. This enhances the flavor and makes the dish look even better. Mix again, pop the lid back on and let the flavors infuse for a few more minutes while the potatoes are still warm. And now it's time to plate. Look at them, so delicious. They're healthy, make a great dish and look amazing. Honestly, they're a staple in my diet. I eat them daily for lunch and often for dinner too as a side dish. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop them below and don't forget to give the big thumbs up, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And I'm now off to enjoy my potatoes.